subscribe and share our videos. And in today's video, Tunachiki presents top 10 weakest militaries in Africa. Want to give us some video suggestions? Be sure to leave them in the comments below. Number 10, Somalia. With a global firepower index of 126 out of 127 countries, Somalia has 24,000 active personnel. Number 9, the Central African Republic. With a global firepower index of 127 out of 127 countries, this country has an active personnel of 4,500. Number 8, Gambia. This country has 3,500 active personnel and is currently not ranked in the Global Firepower Index. Number 7, Lesotho. This country has no Global Power Index ranking and only has 3,100 active personnel. Number 6, Swaziland. This Southern African country has only 3,000 active personnel and no ranking. Number 5, Liberia. This Western African country only has 2,100 active personnel and no global firepower ranking. Number 4, Cape Verde. This small island nation only has 1,200 active personnel and no global firepower ranking. Number 3, the Seychelles. This small island located in the Indian Ocean only has 650 active personnel and no global firepower ranking. Number 2, the Comoros. This small island nation only has 500 active personnel and no global firepower ranking. Number 1, and the title for the country with the weakest military in Africa goes to Mauritius. Mauritius is the only country in Africa that has no standing military. What do you think of our list? Please leave your comments and opinions below. And also, press the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.
If you have suggestions for videos about Africa that you want to see, leave them in the comments below. If you like what you see and want more videos, remember to like and subscribe to Africa's channel.